Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a system of equations which is graphed in the xy plane. We're asked what is the x-coordinate of the intersection point xy of the system. So to find this, we have to solve this system of equations and get our value of x. The easiest way to do this, looking at it, is not substitution because there's no real easy variable to substitute in for. It's going to be elimination. And since we're looking for x, it'll be easier if we eliminate y. So we have negative 1.5y here. So if we multiply this by 3, then we have 3 times 0.5 is positive 1.5, and we can add the two equations together. So just rewriting this top equation right here, we have 2.4x minus 1.5y is equal to 0.3. And then in this new equation where we're multiplying the second equation by 3, we have 3 times 1.6 is 4.8, plus 3 times 0.5y is plus 1.5y. And this is equal to 3 times negative 1.3, which is negative 3.9. So adding these two equations together, we have 2.4 plus 4.8x is 7.2x. Negative 1.5y plus 1.5y is plus 0, so we don't even have to write the plus 0. Then 0.3 minus 3.9 is negative 3.6. Dividing both sides by 7.2 to get our x alone, we have x is equal to negative 3.6 divided by 7.2. Plug that into your calculator and you get that's equal to negative 0.5. So this is the solution for x in this system of equations, and is therefore the x-coordinate of the intersection point, negative 0.5, or A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.